Welcome to the channel Biotech and Science.
Let's talk about microtubules. Definition. Microtubules are essential components of the cytoskeleton found in eukaryotic cells. Composed of tubulin protein subunits, they form long, hollow cylindrical structures. These structures play crucial roles in various cellular functions, including providing structural support to the cell, forming tracks for intracellular transport, assisting in cell division, mitosis and meiosis, and aiding in maintaining cell shape. Microtubules are dynamic and can rapidly assemble or disassemble, allowing them to participate in processes like cell migration, organelle movement, and the distribution of chromosomes during cell division. They also serve as tracks for motor proteins, such as chymins and dyneins, enabling the movement of cellular components along their length. Moreover, microtubules are involved in the formation of structures like cilia and flagella, which are important for cell motility and sensory functions in various organisms. Their dynamic nature and diverse functions make microtubules integral components within cells, contributing significantly to their structural integrity and various cellular processes. Microtubules have several key characteristics and functions. Structure. Composed of tubulin and tubulin proteins, microtubules have a hollow cylindrical structure formed by a linear arrangement of tubulin subunits. These tubules can vary in length and are about 25 nanometers in diameter. Cellular functions. Cell shape and support. Microtubules contribute to the maintenance of cell shape and structural support by forming a scaffold-like network within the cell. Intracellular transport. They serve as tracks for motor proteins like chymins and dyneins, facilitating the movement of vesicles, organelles, and other cellular components within the cell. Cell division. Microtubules play a pivotal role in cell division, mitosis and meiosis. They form the mitotic spindle, aiding in the separation and distribution of chromosomes to daughter cells. Cell motility. Structures like cilia and flagella are made up of microtubules. These organelles are involved in cell motility, such as the movement of sperm cells or the propulsion of certain types of cells. Role in diseases. Malfunctions in microtubule dynamics can lead to various diseases. For instance, abnormalities in microtubule function have been linked to neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease and certain types of cancer. Overall, microtubules are highly dynamic structures critical for maintaining cell structure, enabling intracellular transport, supporting cell division, and contributing to various cellular functions fundamental to life processes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.